We are up before the sun. We're gonna take advantage of all of the daylight hours for Scotty's birthday. It's birthday boy. Happy birthday. It's a beautiful morning. To some, a birthday is just another day. But my birthday is always my favorite day of the year, so I wanted to make this as special as possible for Scott. This whole trip is a bit of a birthday trip, since Scott really got gypped out of doing anything epic for his 50th due to COVID. Spool of like hundreds of little fish. Oh, big fish coming in. Oh, dude, breakfast is right there. Thought for sure we were gonna get some breakfast action out of the fish. Wow, he's neat. There's hundreds of these little fish, and when they turn around, some of them turn, you can see them shining in the light. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's no big surprise, we are heading to Juana's again. At this point, the morning staff knows us by name, and I even have my own mug. And they found a candle for a special birthday treat.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scott. Happy birthday to you.
Done.
Thank you. What you doing?
I'm replying to everybody that wishes me a happy birthday because I've always done that and I always will.
And it's not easy to try to surprise someone by decorating when you're living in a small RV.
The incriminating evidence.
Alright, he caught me, but at least I get the thumbs up. Since I ride my own motorcycle, it's not too often I ride on the back of Scott's. When Scott bought his bike a few years ago, I was fully planning on just being a passenger. Obviously that changed. And that's a great story, but one for another day. Okay, and because it's his birthday, he gets a neck rub, but I don't want him getting spoiled, so yeah, enough of that.
Living the vida loca.
All right, we're back. Picking up Betty. We are going. We got DJ and we got Aaron. These two guys are responsible for getting me on this test ride yesterday to bring home, I guess, the bike of my dreams. It's awesome. And then of course that guy over there, the money guy. You know. Old Jean. We like Jean too, so.
But she's happy with her road glide, so.
I am happy.
Sorry.
Thank you,
We know
guys.
who wins that coin flip, street glide or road glide. We already know.
After riding the road glide for a couple of days, I was excited to pick up Betty. But I was actually shocked when I started to roll out of the dealership. I wasn't expecting it to feel as different as it did. I didn't expect it would take so much effort to ride her compared to the touring bike. So now I'm torn. Do I keep her or sell her? She was my first bike, and she sounds so cool.
All right. Well, we just picked up Betty.
Wow, what a difference. Betty is super cool, loud and rumbly, but man, it's like...
Drives like a tank.
It drives like a tank. Like, I love her. It's fun, cornering, giving her. But this thing, man, This Road Glide handles like a dream.
So, after 250 miles on the Road Glide now,
Yeah.
make the right decision?
Oh, hell yeah. Heck yeah. This is, yeah, I am really happy with my decision.
Sweet.
On a ride to dinner, we passed a veteran walking with a flag. We had seen him a few times on this trip between Panama City and Navarre. We came to learn he's from an organization walking to bring awareness to veterans suffering from PTSD. They started October 1st in Key West and will travel 4,150 miles across the United States, ending in Forks, Washington. Check out walkforvets.org for more information and to donate to the mission. We continued on through my favorite riding area, the Gulf Coast National Seashore. We took this route a lot as an alternative to the inland route with stoplights and traffic. I enjoyed the meandering curves and the slow speed limit that allows me time to enjoy the sparkling waters and rolling dunes. And Scott enjoyed riding 8 miles with no hands. What am I gonna do with this guy? I kept both my hands on the grips. But I will say, having cruise control is really nice. Well, that's embarrassing. I've been riding about 3 years, so it still happens to me once in a while. Enough messing around. Let's get to dinner. Heard good things about this place. McGuire's Irish Pub, here for a birthday dinner.
Steak.
What's your step and your head coming up?
Step and your head.
Got 2 steps down.
It's like she knows I fell down the stairs. Ramp.
Alrighty. We got some of this Bavarian wheat bread with honey butter on top.
Ooh, Lord. Jesus, girl.
Oh, it looks awesome.
Trust me, you'll be full by the time we leave.
Good, then I'm getting a small steak.
Oh yeah.
I picked a good place for birthday dinner.
Oh yeah, of course.
All right.
McGuires is a staple piece when you come to Pensacola. Are we doing any appetizers this
No, I'm ready to order it.
Yeah,
Straight
go
from
ahead.
entrees? Absolutely.
New York strip.
Absolutely. You doing the 16 ounce or the 10 ounce?
Oh, I'm going big.
Big? Okay, sounds good. with
Go
me.
big or go home.
Go big.
So we're doing
Medium rare.
a 6 medium rare. I got you.
Asparagus,
Asparagus.
salad with ranch,
House style with ranch.
and then I do want the bean soup on the side. So
Bean soup?
what's the story on the bean soup?
So the bean soup, we started it in 1977. It was Miss Molly McGuire and Mr. McGuire. They had it from the Senate, and it started out as 18 cents, and then ever since then it's gone up to $6.67, something like that, in the Senate. And we're still the only place in Pensacola, really in Florida, that sells it for 18 cents still.
All right, bean soup. Trying the bean soup.
Okay, is this bottomless bean soup? Because
I don't know. It's
I can't
18
eat
cents.
this.
You can buy another bowl for 18 cents.
I'm gonna have another one.
It's good.
Just like mom's.
Yeah.
Very good.
Got the New York strip strip for you, sir.
Sizzling. Holy cow. Thank you. Wow.
I'm assuming the plate is hot.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, very hot. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh really?
It's still cooking.
Oh, mine is too. Your A1 is
My
boiling.
A1 is boiling.
What do you think?
Magnifiquito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from McGuires. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks.
Happy birthday, hon.
Appreciate
You're
it.
very welcome.
McGuire's Irish Pub in Pensacola, Florida is a popular steakhouse and pub that has been around since 1977. The restaurant is known for its on-site brewery and traditions like kissing the stuffed moose head and stapling autographed dollar bills to the ceiling. They offer a variety of craft beers, but we went with the refreshing house-made root beer. I took a walk down to the restroom, which was not the men's room, and I made my way through the dark corridors with lots of rooms and a flurry of activity with all the waiters and waitresses coming in and out. You could probably spend an hour just walking around looking at all the stuff. All in all, it was a great day from sunrise to sunset. I enjoyed good food, beautiful scenery, and the best part was the company. After all, life is all about the adventures we go on, the memories we make, and the people we choose to spend our time with.
So,
You're still catching up on your Facebook?
I'm all caught up.
What do you think of McGuire's?
Oh, that's a must do. It's a must. It's a must do. If you're ever in Pensacola or where's the other one?
Destin.
Destin. Oh, amazing.
Yeah, the food was good. I think the atmosphere, that really makes it. Like
That makes it good. Yeah, it's all Irish music.
Yeah, Irish music the whole time. Really dark lighting. So just kind of intimate atmosphere. Lots of different rooms and corridors and hallways. Yeah, just a really neat experience overall. The whole place is plastered with dollar bills hanging from the ceiling. So
Like the entire place.
yeah,
So there's probably
we didn't have any dollar bills.
$100,000 worth of money sitting on the walls. And
Right,
ceiling.
and I was thinking it's a big fire hazard. Although money doesn't burn, does it?
Oh, it burns.
All right.
Just ask me.
Yeah.
Just ask you.
It was a little on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for, and I think it was worth it. Good steak dinner, birthday dinner.
The bean soup's only 18 cents.
The bean soup is only 18 cents. It's been 18 cents forever. Yeah, I'm full. I had leftovers. The portion sizes are huge. The salads, bread. Yeah, you will not leave hungry. That's for sure. All right.
Thanks for a great day.
Yeah, you're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good night, everybody. Scott's new friend.
It's my toy.